Hey guys, my name's Ajay Sharma, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the fade in and out effect to smoothen your videos.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm in DaVinci Resolve 17 and I have just added a really awesome clip of a lion into the timeline. So what I want to do is add a fade in and fade out. To do this, let's go and head over to Effects Library. Under Toolbox, we want to click Video Transition. And then now under Dissolve, we can see Additive Dissolve, Blur Dissolve, and Cross Dissolve. So I want to choose Cross Dissolve. So what we're going to do is drag the Cross Dissolve effect to the beginning of your clip to let it fade in. And to add one to the end, we simply drag another one to the end of the clip. Now we have one in and then one out. But there are a few things we need to do before that. But let's just go and play it to see how it looks first. Okay, so it is fading in, and let's see it fading out. Yep, it works. Now, if you wanted to change the speed of the fade, we can do this by simply hovering over the transition, and when we get the two arrows on the cursor, we simply drag it over. And now if we play that back,
if you're liking this video so far, why not subscribe?
The fade in is a lot longer. Now that's not all. We can actually play around with the options. So let's select the transition, head on over to Inspector, and under the transition video, we see the transition type is Cross Dissolve, which is fine. Duration, we've managed to change this. Alignment, that's fine. We can actually edit a few settings over here, and I'd highly suggest you play around with them to see what they actually do and how it can help you with your video editing and what you want to be starting and ending with. So you notice that I didn't actually use the additive dissolve, I only used cross dissolve. The reason why is because of this. Let's say we delete this transition and then we put in the additive. Okay, and let's drag the time to longer, and then let's play back. So what you're going to notice is it didn't actually help fade it in. All it did was create a black screen, and I didn't like that. So that's why I resort to Cross Dissolve, which is much more better. Let's try Blur Dissolve. Okay, and let's drag the timer out again. And let's play back. So depending on what edit you're doing, it really helps to know which dissolve you want, because Blur Dissolve would not really go well with this clip, in my opinion. I prefer Cross Dissolve all the way. So there you have it. That's how you use fade in and fade out with DaVinci Resolve 17.
There you have it, guys. That's how you use the fade effect in DaVinci Resolve 17. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. It's super simple, super easy, and it's just for you. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe? Okay, stay tuned for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and until next time, peace.